Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to hide app on iPad. So if you are trying to hide app on iPad and you're not being able to do that, how can you do that? So first of all guys, what you have to do, you have to, if you want to hide some particular app, like I want to hide this app, on this app, music app. So you have to hold it and you have to tap on this remove app. So basically there are three options here. First is delete app, which will delete the app completely from your iPad. Second option is remove the app from the home screen. So it will temporarily remove the app from the home screen, but not going to hide it from the apps library. And third option is cancel, so you don't have to do that. So you have to guys tap on the second option, remove from home screen. So now to hide this app from the app library as well, you can do one thing here. You can bury that app in the folder. Like if you have a music app, you can see that the app is in this folder, so it will be in the small icon, so no one will going to notice that app easily. So if you want to make sure that the app can just hide completely from your iPad, make sure to add more apps in that folder, so the app won't appear in that folder. So that's the alternative way to hide your app on the iPad. But iPad guys don't have such a feature to hide app from your iPad. So yeah, that's the alternative way. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.